Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card or vice versa. Now to get started, we will need to open up the Files app, which is right over here, and then scroll down and you should see our two storages. So as you can see, there's the internal, which is the device itself, and SD card. Now I'm going to start off by going into the phone storage, which has the same folders as on the SD card, as you can see here. So just as a brief overview, a folder like DCIM will contain photos, videos captured with the device, as you can see. Then downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded using our web browser or a email. As you can see, there's also a couple things here. Then you have folders like movies, music, all that weirdly named stuff, alarms, Android, notifications, podcasts, and ringtones. Now, majority of them will be empty, assuming there is no app that saves in there. And then lastly, we have the pictures folder, which contains screenshots, you can see right here, along with some game screenshots as well. So let's find our files, which for me, I'm just gonna use the camera along with some pictures that are in here. So what you want to do is select the files that you wish to move, and you do it by simply holding it. As you can see, it changes everything, and there we go, there is one selected. So you can tap on additional ones to select them like so, or you can also, I believe, select them all by tapping right over here, and this will select everything here, as you can see. Now if you want only a couple or majority of them, you can just deselect the ones that you don't want, as an example, and it might be quicker. And if you're selecting all of them, I would probably suggest to do it by grabbing the entire folder, which will keep it a little bit more clean. So this will basically in turn select everything that is inside of that folder, all those photos in my case. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you, and also dependent on how many of the files you will be moving or copying. But once it's selected, all you need to do is tap on the three dots and choose if you want to move it or copy it. Now move will completely remove the files from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while copy will create additional set of the same files in the new location while keeping the old ones where they are right now. I'm gonna select move for this purpose, and once you select one of them, it will pop up the window right here, and simply choose where you want to move them to or copy. So right now these photos for me are located on the internal storage, so I'm gonna go to the SD, and I can either drop it right over here in the middle of all the folders, or I can make it clean, go in here to the camera, for instance, even though I'm moving camera folder, and move it here. Let's continue and allow access, allow, and this will begin. And almost done. There we go. So as you can see, this is where the folder used to be, and now it's gone because I chose to move it. So let me back out, go to SD card, DCIM, camera, and there we go. As you can see, that's where all my folder photos and videos are. So that is how you remove any kind of file from your, for instance, SD to the phone and vice versa. The process works basically exactly the same way, no matter what the file that you're moving is. So as you've seen, I just used photos, but the same process works for any kind of other file. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.